Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make our own homemade setting powder. Most of the ingredients you can get from your kitchen cupboard. So first of all, we've got here some zinc oxide. This is a major ingredient for making skincare products and skin ointments, and it also protects you from the sun's UV rays. We've got here some talcum powder. This is optional, you don't have to use this. We've got some cornstarch there, some turmeric powder, cocoa powder. This you use according to your skin tone. And we've got some beetroot powder. You've got to make sure that there are no lumps in the beetroot powder, and I'm just using the spoon to smoothen it out, because sometimes you get some bits of lumps in them. So you're going to combine according to your skin tone or how light or dark you want your setting powder. I'll start with the zinc oxide. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in this. And talcum powder. Keep 2. Using the cornstarch. These 2 ingredients are the turmeric and the cocoa powder. You're going to need very, very little amount. Hence, so I'm just going to put half a teaspoon. And the cocoa powder, you can start little and later you can add on. But you know, once you put too much, it's difficult to take out. It's easier to add on. And you make sure that it's smooth, there are no lumps and that. So I'm just going to put a bit there. The beetroot powder, the same. Once I've got all this in my jar, the clean jar, I'm going to close it up and shake, or I can use a spoon to stir it up. If you're happy with the color, and that's fine at this stage. So and that's your setting powder. That looks okay. And that's your setting powder. That looks actually very good. Very good. And because of the talcum powder, smells very nice. Once you're happy, you can seal it and use it from there. See.